My strategy finally worked and I made it to Petal Island. It cost me a lot of wood and a lot of stone, but I finally made it. With this upgrade and a few more island expansions, I unlocked fruit trees, sandstone, greenstone and honey. And honestly, I'm just excited to see what I unlock next. My current goal is to expand my island as much as possible, so I can stockpile more resources and finally build my first hen house, because I'm getting really tired of people asking me for things I do not have. Eggs, shakes and whatever this thing is. But that's not the only reason I am excited to grind right now, because farmers, a new chapter is live! Here in Sunflowerland, the Ascension age has begun, and it comes with a lot of new stuff. First, we can now ascend beyond the Volcano Island. Volcano Island used to feel like the final destination, but now there are new islands waiting after me, starting with Swamp Island and followed by Spooky, Crystal, Galaxy and Marble. We are also getting skill upgrades. You can now use Ascension shards to upgrade your skills, with up to 3 ranks available for each one, increasing their bonuses as you level them up. And of course, every chapter comes with exclusive rewards. Each season has its own currency that you can use to get limited chapter items that won't come back later. Some of them now include the Astro Lake, which can boost fermentation and spice rack output and give extra XP from aged fish. The Ascension Monument, which reduces the expansion time. OG the Other, that gives you extra fishing reels every day and bonus fish. Moon Hair, which improves full moon seed stock and full moon fruit. Plus cosmetics like Swamp Lily Hat, Swamp Pants and Swamp Armor. There are also important auction items like the Ascended Idol, Salt Worker Neon, Winged Base, Vibraphone, Salt Rack and Coat Rack. And now the race is officially on. Are you going to be one of the first farmers to ascend, farm a ridiculous amount of shards, rank up your skills, and start stacking boosts before anyone else? Because I definitely plan to try. So don't fall behind. Jump into the new Sunflowerland chapter and start your Ascension Age journey. I also recommend you to complete your immutable quest at the same time for double progress. I'll see you there, farmers!